How to train ChatGPT to write like you. So right now I'm giving ChatGPT a prompt where I'm explaining to it the premise. So I'm explaining to it that I'm going to giving it a sample story that I have written below. I'll add it right here under the column later. And I want it to internalize this story and learn my writing style and then adopt my persona. You want to be very, very specific with, ChatGPT and set the tone, set the theme, and I want it to adapt this persona. This is very important. And then I'm basically explaining it to it what it's going to be doing next. So it understands why I'm telling it what to do. So I want it to write me another, story in my style. And this is the sample is below. Make sure you add this colon so it knows where the story starts. Then you can go ahead and put your story in. And now let's wait for ChatGPT to internalize my style right here, okay? I just updated its memories. So here, now it understands my style. So I write in a witty, descriptive style with a focus on character-driven narratives. And my writing conveys a mix of, humor, light satire, and an underlying critique of social norms, for example. And there's some other information right here. Now I can ask it to write me a story of a pirate who becomes a prince. So let's go. In my writing style that you have just internalized. Okay? Now let's see what ChatGPT will give us. And there we go. It is doing a pretty good job, I must say. And there you have it, guys. That is how you can achieve this.